Hello, this is Hans Tolman, and this is my Exemplar spreadsheet. And according to my sheet evidence, I'm introducing myself. The purpose of this sheet is to keep track of suspensions in a school or a district. And this is my face. And the connection is probably aligned with PBIS, and this could be used to keep track of those things. You're going to see 7 or more headers in row 1, multiple rows of data, and I'll show you my 4 customizations to make the sheet more pleasing and easier to analyze. And then also, I'm going to be sharing my sheet with 2 of my colleagues to get their feedback. So this is my sheet. My categories are first name, last name, student ID, type of suspension, school site, ethnicity, gender, length of suspicion, special ed, and EL. And I have rows 2 through 109 selected. And one way that I can analyze this data is I can sort these columns by A through Z, so I can get an idea of how many students have had suspension in a particular school, looking for trends. And then I can also sort by gender to see, the females that have had suspension. And some of the things that I've done to make this a little more pleasing to the eye is I added alternating colors under format, and then I also froze my row 1 and my columns B and C. I've also hidden the timestamp because I just didn't really need to see that. And I've also adjusted the font type and the color on this first row. And sharing it, I'm going to share it with my facilitators. Check out my sheets. Exemplar. How can I make it better? And then send that. So that is my Google Sheet, and I think I've met all of the criteria. Oh, I also wrapped the text on the top row, and I've adjusted the column and row width. I haven't inserted any links or comments or functions, but that's it. Thank you for watching.